So, you just went to the store and bought yourself a brand new blaster. And now you're thinking to yourself, what the ammo do I use? Well, don't you worry, because I'm here to help. Today we're talking about a crucial topic for all you new gun owners out there: buying the correct ammo for your concealed carry gun. It's important to do your own research, like just like on everything, but using the right ammunition for your specific firearm is really important. It may sound a little bit scary to some of you, but it's really not. You'll get the hang of it pretty quick. The most important factors to consider when selecting ammo is the caliber of your gun. You do not want to be putting the wrong ammo in it.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. You can always easily check your gun's manual to see what ammo they recommend. And because most of you are probably using 9mm, I would hope all of you don't use 45. It's not a magic bullet. It's use 9mm. Just use 9mm. 9mm has kind of two different listings. I'll throw in an example here so you can see. It'll either say 9x19 or 9mm Luger. They are exactly the same thing.
We are same.
So if you see either 9x19 or 9mm Luger on a box of ammo, it's fine. Same thing. You're good to go. Also, there's a few different types of casings. Just stick to brass. There, you'll see steel too. Steel casing's cheaper. You can buy it. You can go do the research on your own why it's probably not great for your gun. There's arguments on forums why it doesn't matter and whatnot, but just get the brass case and you'll be happy. It's not that much more expensive. So the next key aspect you want to look at for when you're buying ammo for your gun is the type of round you're using. For target shooting, you're just going to want your standard ball ammunition, okay? It's going to be the cheapest you can buy. That's what you're going to use for target shooting. You don't want to use any expensive ammo, just target shooting and practicing. For your self-defense ammo, you're going to want to get some hollow points. Hollow points essentially are more effective at stopping the threat. They expand, transfer more energy into whatever you're hitting. And like I said, it essentially just stops the threat a lot better than your target ammo would. Also, with your defensive ammo, make sure you buy enough rounds to run a few through your gun. Sometimes in some guns, I haven't personally had it happen to me, but some ammo doesn't necessarily like certain guns. You just want to make sure it runs smoothly, because in the case you really do need it, you do not want it to stop shooting. To run through a quick construction of the ammo you'll be buying, it consists of, there's a primer, there's a case, there's a propellant, that's the gunpowder, and then there's the bullet. So what happens is when you shoot, the primer is struck when you pull the trigger, which ignites the propellant on the inside of the case, creating pressure that launches the bullet down the barrel. So now when you're looking for all types of defensive ammo, that can also be a little overwhelming. So I'm going to start by giving you some of the recommendations of what I use personally and what I've done research on and had success with. So you have a starting point, and then you can go out and do your own research and find what defensive ammo you may want to use to protect yourself. So the two main rounds I kind of use, it's either Spear Gold Dot or Federal HST. That's pretty much what I've always bought. That's what I've exclusively used. It's actually those two are one of the more common defensive rounds that is used. There's been a lot of ballistic testing on them. They're super reliable. It's kind of a standard. So yeah, go ahead and definitely check those out. But again, go do the research yourself, find what you want to use. So now that you've been educated a little bit on what you may want to buy, you might need to actually go buy it now. So there's kind of two main options, at least that I use. You could go to your local store, maybe Bass Pro Shops or something like that, Or my favorite thing to use is ammoseek.com. So you can go on to ammoseek.com and get it ordered straight to your door. So now I'm going to transfer over to my computer so I can show you how to use that website. All right, so here we are on AmmoSeek. You're first going to start here under this tab that says ammo. Here you can search for your handgun ammo. That's what we're really going to be doing right now since we're specifically talking about handgun ammo. But if you have a rifle, you can search for rifle ammo. You can search for rimfire ammo such as 22, or you can search for shotgun ammo. So here we're going to click on handgun ammo. And this is going to pull up a few options for you. So we're going to click on caliber, and it's going to show you all the handgun ammo options. For us, we're going to pick on right here 9mm Luger. Again, it could be 9x19. Your brand, if you have a specific brand you would like, and then the bullet weight in grains. So typically your defensive rounds are going to be a little bit higher, you know, around the 145 mark. And then your target ammo is generally going to be around, let's say, the 115 mark, but that's not true in all cases. So we're going to hit search here, and it's going to pull up, this is explaining shipping, so how the shipping works. But it's going to pull up a bunch of different websites that are selling ammo based on your search results. And you can filter and search through all these in different ways, but here you see the retailer, description, all the way over to, you know, the price and the shipping. And it has a whole bunch, a huge list of, you know, everything to pick from. Now off to the side here, you get a few more search options. Again, you see brand, grains. Now what I like to do is for this case, just use brass. You'll see steel too. Steel case is generally cheaper. There are some pros and cons and, you know, negatives to it. You know, that's been debated forever on different forums, but generally the most common and best case use is brass ammo. The next thing I would do, so let's say we're searching defensive ammo. Okay. Just as I suggested, we're going to search HST, which is what I use. So now it's going to pull up every website searching Federal HST. So let's see what this site is. Our first one, Federal 9mm full metal jacket and 350 rounds 9mm HST. So this looks like it could be a combo. So yeah, so this is a combo. You get some target ammo, and then along with that, you get some defensive ammo. So that's a great option for people starting out. So just like I did there, you can go click on any of these search options you want and find the ammo, you know, that's right for you. And there you go. Now you can buy ammo. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. That's all I got for you. Just stay safe out there and watch out for the other guy.